Exercise 9D, interest-only loans. These problems are all relating to the fact of trying to work out what the monthly payment is, given that I'm only paying the interest. So in other words, the monthly payment that I'm taking back is only the interest that is accruing. And then we'll be paying back the loan as a lump sum later. So often these are the little trick questions that get thrown at you. The thing is that you need to make sure you see are the words interest only. So interest only is the main thing to get out of there. However, still the same sort of things are involved. The same sort of recurrence relations are still involved. So V0 is the principal, or the original amount that I'm owing. The recurrence relation is capital R times by Vn, take away D, where capital R is 1 plus little r over 100, where little r is equal to the interest rate divided by compounding periods. The value of D, the amount I'm taking away, is little r over 100 times by the original principal value. So in other words, the amount that I'm paying back is the interest that would accrue. And so therefore, considering that the amount of interest that I initially put on is then taken away, that means every month it's the same payment. So it's almost very linear in this regard. So example 9D.1, which is from a VCAA exam, so therefore it's got some subtle hints and tricks with this one. Shirley would like to purchase a new home. She will establish a loan for $225,000 with interest charged at a rate of 3.6% per annum, compounding monthly. Each month, Shirley will pay only the interest charged for that month. After 3 years, the amount that Shirley will owe is what? And this stumps kids every time. They'll look at it and go, oh, I have to go and do the recurrence relation, carry the one. No, it's an interest-only loan, so she's only paying the interest. She's not paying off the original principal. So therefore, the amount that still owes is the original amount that she borrowed. There it is, that $225,000. It's all that she owes. Let Vn be the value of Shirley's loan in dollars after n months. A recurrence relation that models the value of Vn is one of the following. So this is again reminding that D is equal to little r over 100 times by V0, and that capital R here will be 1 plus that little r over 100. It would probably help at this point to find out what that little r is. So the little r is equal to 3.6% per annum, and it's compounding monthly. So we'll divide that by 12. So 3.6 divided by 12, that's going to be equal to 0.3. And so this r value is going to be equal to 0.3 divided by 100 plus 1. So it's 1.003. So we can already eliminate any of these options that do not have 1.003. So we can eliminate B, we can eliminate E. So it just leaves A, C, and D. So let's go and get the D value. So that's going to be 0.3 divided by 100 times by the principal, which was 225,000. So 0.3 divided by 100 times by 225,000. So that's $675. So we can eliminate A, we can eliminate C, and so therefore a cozy answer there is D, because she's only paying off the interest.